students, welcome to the class of General Knowledge. Children, I am here with a new topic, Crack the Quiz. Children, today we are going to solve a quiz which is based on Unit 7 to Unit 9. We have done many lessons and today's quiz is based on that. Let us solve it. Children, see page 40 of your general knowledge book. Crack the quiz. This quiz is based on Unit 7, Unit 8 and Unit 9. Children, there are 10 questions and also there are 3 options. We have to choose the correct answer and tick mark the correct answer. Let us see question number 1. Who won the title of Flying Sikh? Option A, Milkha Singh. Option B, Mohan Jain. Option C, Sachin Sen. Yes, the correct answer is Milkha Singh. Let us look at the next question. Question number 2. Name the game which is played with a bat, a ball and a wicket. Options are A, football, B, hockey, C, cricket. Children, you must be knowing which game is played with a bat, a ball and a wicket. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is cricket. Let us look at question C. Air pollution can cause A, cancer, B, birth defects, C, both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. Children, air pollution can be very harmful. It can cause cancer as well as birth defects in human beings. Let us see question number 4. Internet is used for. Options are A, emailing, B, chatting, C, both A and B. Yes, the correct answer is both A and B. Children, email means electronic mail. It is used for exchanging messages using electronic devices. For example, mobiles or computers. Chatting is online communication over internet. So, both these things can be done with the help of internet. So, answer C is right. Okay, now look at question 5. Abhinav Bindra is associated with which sports? A, boxing, B, shooting, C, badminton. The correct answer is shooting. Abhinav Bindra is associated with shooting. Let us see the next one. Number 6. Hip hop was originated in which country? The correct answer is USA. Other options UK and India are wrong. The correct answer is USA. Number 7. Which of the following is not a biodegradable waste? A. Fruit peels. B. Paper. C. Tire. Children, here I have shown another spelling of tire. Both these spellings are correct. What is the meaning of this term biodegradable waste? It means things which are capable of being decomposed by the bacteria or other living organisms. Both fruit peels and paper are biodegradable waste, whereas tire cannot be decomposed. So the correct answer is C. Tire. Let us see the next one. Deepa Karmakar is associated with which sports? A. Badminton. B. Shooting. C. Gymnastics. The correct answer is gymnastics. Children, gymnastics is sport that includes physical exercises requiring balance, strength, flexibility, etc. Let us see the next question. Question number 9. Who was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel? Options are A. Rohit Kumar, B. Mihir Sen, C. Supriyo Mondal. The correct answer is Mihir Sen. Now, let us look at the last question. Deforestation leads to. Children, deforestation means the cutting down of trees. Options are A. Maintain natural equilibrium, B. Clean environment, and C. Global warming. Children, cutting down of trees is not good. It leads to global warming. So, the correct answer is global warming. Global warming is the gradual heating of Earth's climatic conditions, including surface, oceans, and atmosphere. Children, I hope you all have understood today's lesson. Your homework is to complete this exercise. That's all for today. Thank you.